Okay, so you need to order a Panasonic remote control. You've come to the right place. Just click on the link below, order your Panasonic remote control, and it ships today. Hi, I'm Carrie with electronicadventure.com, where we have over 300,000 remotes in our warehouse. So whatever you need, it will ship today or next business day. And the great thing about our remote controls is that they're brand new. They're not used or refurbished, and they're not universal, which means there's no code to program in. All you do is put the batteries in and you're ready to go. And when you shop with us, we want you to shop with confidence, so we offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. And we also want to save you some money, so when you get to checkout and it asks for the coupon code, enter remote and the number 5, and we'll take $5 off your purchase. So again, you need to order a new remote control. Click on the link below, order it, it ships today. If you have any questions, call and speak with one of our operators by dialing the 800 number that you see on the screen. Thanks for shopping with us at electronicadventure.com.